Tara. Where's our package? Zdravo svima, dobrodošli nazad na kanal Poručili Stanković. Nedavno smo poručili paket sa Temua. I evo pošiljka je danas stigla. Hoćemo da vidimo da li je sve stiglo i da ocjenimo kvalitet proizvoda.
You rate 1 to 10.
Ajde, Tara, da ocjenimo. Hoćemo otvoriti.
1,
2, 3.
1.
Yeah, Petica, hajde, daj.
Hajde,
Hajde, otvaraj. Hajde ti otvori s mamom, hajde. Hajde.
Okay, first item.
Gdje da vidimo šta nam je ovo stiglo, Tara? Dobro, Tara, hajde vidimo šta nam je stiglo ovo. Hajde, Tara. Čekaj da vidimo šta je stiglo.
Okay, first item. Oh.
Šta smo dobili?
We have
Je ovo za tebe,
the
Tara?
Christmas calendar. Hiromi. Tara wants to open. No, like this or not.
Hajde.
1.
Ja.
1 item.
Hajde ti otvori sad samo ovo sve što imam.
So this one we ordered 3. So it seems it's good, still good packaging.
Hajde po jedno, ček. Jedno po
We rate
jedno.
that one maybe. What we gonna rate this one, Daddy?
From 1 to 10, 10.
No, for me it's 7. 7. Okay. Aha, Christmas.
Šta nam je ovo, Tara?
Mama, I want this. The new book.
Moraš ti da otvoriš tamo.
Non-slip
Evo
wrap.
ovako, da ti otvorimo da ovako.
Kitchen wrap.
Evo. Ček, evo ovako.
Oh, it's nice, Daddy.
Čekaj, dobro. We'll see. Evo, Tara. Pull.
It's nice, Daddy. I rate this one is solid 8. You?
Evo za kuhinju. Evo za cijenu i po koju smo kupili. Fantastično je.
Okay.
Super. Idemo dalje.
Wow, we have a
Šta smo još
dress.
prvo? Tara, šta je, koliko imaš? Šta nam je to? Čekaj, Tara, da vidim.
Oh, wow.
Joj, Tara, vidi šta je haljinica.
Dress. Oh, it's nice, Daddy.
Jako dobar kvalitet.
That you put my room, Dad.
Stavit ćemo u tvoju sobu kad...
Oh, wow.
Joj, pa da probam odmah.
You put my room.
Kasnije, hajde sad.
Let's-
Tara, kasnije, hajde sad
let-
stavi ovdje.
Let her to put in the room. Oh, you put here and then put in the room. We continue. So this one is, I think,
Evo ovdje. Hajde kasnije.
8.5.
Zima je sad, Tara. Zima kasnije. Kasnije.
We have another.
Put my room, Mama.
Idi stavi kako god sama i stavi. Eto.
Oh, get back to the video. I order another Christmas dress for Tara.
Evo još jedna
It's
haljinica
really
za Taru.
nice.
Proizvode znači od 1 do 10, 310 za kvalitet, a i za cijenu. Cijena je
Solid 8. Solid 8, Daddy.
super, odlično. Šta je to stiglo?
Another non-slip for the.
A, za... Tara, uđi, zima na balkonu.
She will take that.
Okay.
Put under the.
Okay, what this one? You said it's...
I think
Is it
it's
for the bathroom?
another rug. Yeah, for the bathroom.
No slip.
Oh, yeah, put my room.
Ovo sa kupatilom.
Ah, it's nice.
No,
8.
dobro.
We rate this one 8.
4.
7.
Pola.
Ay! Tara!
Šta je ovo, Tara?
Labubu. It's a labubu bag.
Počeš bez razloga, čekaj.
It's like silicone. Oh, it's nice.
Joj.
Oh, wait, Anna.
Čekaj, da stavimo na... Evo, dođi, evo ovdje
We need
stavi.
to, Anna. But this one is really nice.
Is there no...
Yeah. We need to... It's okay, let her.
Hajde, Taro, daj, give her.
It's nice.
You go on the bed seat. Hajde,
A
sjedi
da?
se na kraju.
It's the correct. So, solid 7.5. Oh, that's my dress. Let's see.
I will put my
So
boob on the water.
It's big, but it's good quality.
You don't listen to me. Okay. How you try?
I
Put
put
it
my
on.
boob, Daddy.
A malo sačkaš pa onda.
I put my boob, Daddy. I'll put my boob on the boob.
Stand up.
Mama, you put my boob on
Mama
the
didn't listen, Daddy, Taro.
It's very big, but it's...
Amela will give to Amela.
Yeah. But it's nice.
My boob,
We
Mama.
will give this to Amela.
This one
Taro,
is...
zadnji zima ićemo kasnije.
I will rate because
Popisi
it's
gore.
not... It's
Popisi.
this cotton or...
It's not cotton. It's polyester. No, almost 100% of the clothing is polyester. But
Quality is good.
quality, it's a good quality.
I rate this one 7 because it's not fit for me. What is this? Did you order something? And I ordered this one.
I don't know what is this.
And it's cute.
Is it for exercise? This? Oh, it is.
Oh, it's nice, Daddy. I rate this one as 8 for kids.
Evo spravo za vežbanje.
Dad, I will put my boob, Daddy.
Tara, aj spusti tu pa će Daddy kasnije da stavi u sebi.
Please.
This one, you'll figure out how to connect this.
Yeah. Did you rate? You just open
I don't know, Ray, I have no idea because it's okay. We'll see, we'll test it later and then we
Maybe
will...
6. I will rate it as 6.
Okay.
And we have gun, massage gun.
We have 2.
We have 2. But I need to check this one because this one...
Let me check. It's better than the previous.
Small one.
It's okay.
Oh,
It's not small one when we had it.
nice, almost the same. But I think we need to charge that.
Yeah, this is it. It's already charged.
We're gonna rate this. Oh, oh.
Ah, this is like... It's good.
Oh. Oh. Okay, we rate this one solid 8.
Solid 8, right?
How to?
Press. Just press.
So we have 2, and it's good. Okay.
We have two massage gun. Is this on the same big size? I didn't listen.
Oh wow. It's okay with the belt.
Hmm?
With the belt.
You stand up. Let's try. There's a belt. Try to stand up.
But you know in the
Stand up. Hmm.
you see with the belt it's good.
It's good. Let me see. It's good. Okay. You can keep that. You will wear that?
Yeah.
Huh? And
Yes.
this one?
Okay.
Next.
I rate this one 7.5.
Check down.
We order a lot. Sorry guys. We order really a lot. Like for 10 years. I think that one is for toys. For
Cars?
Daddy, you will not see in the video. How you gonna say? But they don't have box.
We need to...
Why? You know, this is... It's written in the side. There's like a storage. But
Storage box.
here, don't open everything.
What is it?
It's car, I know.
What's here?
And the quality is
Not bad.
not
Yeah.
bad, but it's
Yeah,
not
it's
like,
I
but
said
it's
you
cheap, you know. For this price, I think
I said
still
ovdje,
okay.
ovdje sjedi.
So we rate
Evo
this
ti
one
kutija ovdje, Tara.
6.5
It's okay.
because it's written in the
Evo ovdje,
side.
Tara.
There's
Evo ovdje ga se pop.
like a storage of this toys,
Ostavi, stavit ću ja auto. Sad je
but
hladno,
here
kasnije,
it's
go se pop.
nothing.
Stavit ću ja, hoću Bogom. Aj go se pop.
So we order four of this, four.
Four.
That is
It's
okay.
okay, one should.
And then the wrist.
For exercises still.
So
Oh.
this one is, I think it will be okay. This one is okay. For the wrist, we rate this one maybe 7.5. But it's not bad. 7.5. And the last, ready. Ta-da-da.
It's a muscle fitness wheel.
And it's easy to
Assemble.
assemble. Maybe we can rate this one maybe 8
We will see the quality
Yeah.
when we
because no,
test.
but it's nice.
Looks nice.
Yeah. So that's it. I can say
We arrived, we get everything.
yeah, we get everything and Temu is it's okay for now.
What did we get? Let me show everyone what we get again. Here we have
this coloring book. We have for exercise
there's a one dress for Tara, I hope.
and everything is good. It's not a broken package.
Tara, ćeš da probamo, ajde stani, si. Hajde brzinski vidimo kako stoji. Hajde, hajde. Exercise, dedi da može exercise, mami. Ajde, daj, mami. Ajde, rukicu, daj rukicu. Va. Ne.
What is it?
Ovako držiš, ne. Tako sam teško je ovo zatari, ti si
Ajde.
mala još. Daj rukicu.
Okay.
Jao, Tara.
Yeah.
Gdje da te vidim? Ekstra kasnije ćemo da vježbamo.
So nice.
What?
Vozimo
Thank
kasnije.
you guys. I hope you enjoy.
Čekaj.
Thank you so much.
Hajde
Rating.
se, ispuži.
Temu.
Evo,
for the
ali nemoj da
first
se
time.
mičeš, hajde. Na koljenima, ajde se ispuži ruke.
Hvala puno.
Tako. Ne mičeš noge, ostaviš tu, ajde ostavi
Porodica
sad.
Stanković.
Hajde Tara sad, sjedi.